In this video, I will show how to enroll an employee in initial training in the form of e-learning. Log into your account. Go to the Initial OHS Training tab. Here you will find the Initial OHS Training. Specify how many people you want to assign and click To Basket. Now go to the basket and scroll down to the Payment section. Select Subscription. The training price will then change to 0 zloty. Accept the terms and conditions and click Place your order. Now click My Account. In the Active Courses tab, you will find your orders. The first one at the top will be the training you just ordered. Fill in details such as the participant's first and last name and email address. You can also set the date for sending access to the training. If you leave this field empty, access will be sent immediately. All you need to do is click Send Link.